You're watching this video because you want to know, is the Hover Air X1 the drone for you? In this video, I'm going to go over what this is good for and what it's not good for, and then let you decide. The first thing that I love about this Hover Air X1 is how small it is. 125 grams. This thing can fit in my pocket. The next thing I love about this Hover Air X1 is how easy it is to fly. I had other drones before and I just did not feel comfortable with the controls. This thing controls itself unless you want to control it. Here are a few examples of the zoom out mode. Here's an example of the orbit mode. Here are a few examples of the bird's eye view mode. Here's an example of the follow me mode. Here's an example of the side view mode. And if you want to control your Hover Air X1 yourself and get the shot that you want, you can always go to manual control, where you can have your Hover Air X1 go forward, backward, left, right, turn to the right, turn to the left, go up, go down, and you can even control the gimbal. The next thing I love about the Hover Air X1 is a lot of times I'm not with my family. I might be driving to and from work. I might be just by myself. And I don't always have somebody to say, hey, take a picture of me, take video of me. But this Hover Air X1, I can set whatever shot I want to, and it films me, it follows me, it records whatever I'm doing. And so I don't always have to have somebody with me to film or record me. The Hover Air X1 is also not going to cost you thousands of dollars. Those other drones that get 4K video and can go hundreds of feet up are going to cost at least $1,000. This is not. This is something that is very affordable, in my opinion, if you are really serious about vlogging destinations or vacation spots that you go to, or just in your neighborhood and want something that's not going to cost a whole lot of money but can get the job done. Another thing that I love about the Hover Air X1 is how easy it is to fly. I don't have to manually control this unless I want to. So if I just want a quick and easy shot, I just program it to whatever I want to do. So if I want it to zoom out, all I do is press the button for it to zoom out. I just stand and let it zoom out, get the video of me, and it flies back into the palm of my hand. So if you really want quick and easy video where you can get the shot in under 60 seconds, then this is going to be the camera for you. What the Hover Air X1 is not, it's not going to be your drone that goes up hundreds of feet and gets these panoramic views of everything. It's not meant to fly that high. And it's also not going to be something where you can fly over water. And so this is basically what they call a selfie drone, which means it's not supposed to go super far because it's supposed to have you in the picture. So it's going to have some limitations as far as how high and the range of how far this can go. But if you're into just taking family pictures and video, or just of you bike riding or walking or running, then this is going to fit perfectly. So all in all, I thought this was a very fantastic purchase for me. I do a lot of vlogging. I do a lot of scenic video where I just need to capture something quick, easy, don't have to get any kind of bulky controllers. I don't need something that's going to be giant and, take up a backpack worth of size. This fits in my pocket. I can get a shot that I need in under a minute and be gone and not bother anybody. So this would be the perfect selfie drone for somebody like that.